Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, as you saw from the title, is our January-February Beem Box, okay? And for those of you who are not familiar with the Beem Box, I will list the information down below so that you can become better acquainted, okay? So, when we open it up, of course, everything is very, very neatly wrapped, and we have our description card which says, "Your Beem Box has arrived. I'm ready for my close-up." Okay, then on the other side, it has a list of all the items that are enclosed, as well as a rubrics down below, which lets you know if the items are cruelty-free, vegan, or Black-owned businesses. Okay, so let's just jump right in and see what's in this box. Okay, and so let's go. The first item that I have is the Blush Boost. This is what the outer packaging looks like. And it says, "This is the good mineral. Get an instant beauty boost with blush powder made from glowing mineral color pigments. The perfect blush for pigmented skin so you can uplift your vibe in an instant." Okay, now the shade that I have is Dream in Coral, and it says it's orange, not orange, but pink. Well, alrighty then, all right, and this says it's preservative-free, fragrance-free, oil-free, vegan, cruelty-free with mega pigments, all right? It does have a 12-month shelf life, and this is a 5-gram size. Okay, so let's just take a look at the product itself. Okay, the packaging is very cute. Okay, it's the same on the outside as well as on the inside. Okay, and as I stated, it says Dream in Coral. All right, do we want to open this? I'm gonna think about that because I do have quite a few blushes and I may want to put that in a giveaway. Okay, so then let's move on to the next item, which is by Propa Beauty. And this is the Luminous Satin Lipstick. And it says a satin lipstick with an incredibly creamy and smooth texture that glides on effortlessly. A sheer to full buildable color coverage. Use the highest point of the bullet to shape the lips. No lip liner is needed. Okay. This one is called Prime Time. Okay. Well, let's just see. This one has a 12-month shelf life, and it says, "Finally, a lipstick made just for you. Satin finish, creamy formula with rich color pigments for a luminous pout." All right. Well, let's just check and see what this shade looks like. Ooh, that's pretty. Well, first of all, their inner packaging is always nice. This is what the inside packaging looks like. Okay. And then there's the actual shade. And this is what the inside of the lipstick looks like. And let's just go ahead and swatch. And I want you to know this is gorgeous. Look at that. Okay. Let's just put a little on over what we have. What you think? I happen to like it a lot. And I want you to know that it feels moisturizing. It has like a nice gloss, but it's not overly glossy, if that makes any sense. Okay, I definitely like how it feels. And even though you don't necessarily need a lip liner, I like how it looks with this one. And this lip liner that I have on is by the Godly Glow. So I do like that. Okay, that's item number 2. Then let's move right along. The next item that we have is by LYS Beauty, and this is their matte bronzer, and this is the outer packaging. Does this look familiar to anyone? Okay, yes, we did receive this earlier this month in another box. All right, so it says a clean, buildable, velvety matte bronzer with a talc-free formula that sculpts, defines, and livens up the complexion. This ultra buildable powder effortlessly buffs into the skin, adding a natural contour and warmth to the complexion without accentuating the skin's texture. Okay, now this shade is a little lighter than the one that I received. Okay, I really want to open it, but I want to be able to give it to one of you if it's too close to what I already have. Well, I'm not going to open it. I won't open it. I will show you what I already have, okay? And I can't believe I'm about to mess up the packaging again. Oh, boy. Y'all know how I feel about this mirrored packaging. Okay, it's this one, okay? And the shade that I have here is this one. Okay, the other one is a little lighter. This one, the one that I received today, is called Courage, and it's in tan, where this one is called Strength, and this one is dark. So, what to do? Well, I tell you what, I'm going to hold on to this and I'm going to put it into a giveaway for one of you. Okay, now I gotta clean off the mirror part. Give me a second. Yes, I know I'm extra. All right, so we're gonna move right along to the next item. All right, and the next one is by Beem Beauty. And this is a brow gel. Here is the outer packaging, and it says the Beem Beauty Brow Gel brushes on to groom, shape, and set brows for a look that lasts all day. A perfect 12-hour long-wearing gel with a soothing formula that conditions brows. And it does say that this one is available in Ulta. All right, and it says, well, it gives us a before and after. Can you see that picture right there? All right, and it says this is cruelty-free, it's a sustainable product, and it is made in the USA. Beauty is revealed not applied. Oh, I love that. All right, and this is a 0.27 ounce size. This is good timing because I probably had maybe 2 uses left out of the brow gel that I had. Here is the inside packaging, very sleek black packaging, which I do like. All right, and when we get ready to use this one, I will let you know in our try on, okay? So then we still have another item in this box. And guess what? It's a palette. This is by Ace Beauty. Look at this packaging, y'all. This is the 12 pan eyeshadow palette, and it says this palette features 12 eyeshadow colors that can be used to create bold, sultry looks. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest, smoothest application and the most excellent color payoff. All right, and this is a 19.2 gram or 0.68 ounce size. It has a 12-month shelf life. All right, and the inside packaging looks just like the outside, and it does have a mirror. Oh my God. Oh, I am loving these shades. So I'm going to cover the mirror, and then I'm going to show you these beautiful shades right here. So what you think? Shall we swatch? I think we shall. So I love this dusk shade. I like the stone. And then we're going to do shadow. I did all mattes. That wasn't intentional, but I did. And this is what they look like. And we are going to all right, so we have swatched them, and these are what these shades look like. Okay, very, very nice. I like Ace Beauty's products anyway. I really do, especially their palettes. So I'm looking forward to a try-on review and first impression using this palette, okay? Now, the shades are named. They are quite creamy. I did use all mattes. I did swatch all mattes this time, but there are some shimmers in here. Ooh, very, very nice. Okay, all right, and then, now, I like everything that came in this month. I do. But I want to tell you, I did tell you that there was a rubrics at the bottom of this description card. Now, I'm going to tell you about this now. What am I going to tell you? That every item in this month's box, this is a Black-owned business, as well as all cruelty-free and all vegan products. First of all, I'm very, very proud to know that there are great products being made for us, by us. Okay, I'm just saying. So I love everything. I'm excited for our try on. That one is probably not going to come until February because, as I stated, this is the January-February box. Okay, so what are your thoughts? Tell me down below. Now, I also want to ask you to share this video. Why? Because I'm loving this Beem Box, okay? We have quite a few people who have sent messages in, not just to my channel, but to other channels about their disappointment with another box that, well, we do unboxings with that company on this channel, but they've raised their prices so high, and right now they are not getting very positive feedback all the way around, okay? So I'm just asking you to share this video with someone else, okay? Let them know there are other options that are out there, okay? So I just want to tell you, thank you so much for choosing to spend some time with me on today as we unboxed our January, February Beem Box. And these are the items that were included in this box. And down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was included in this box. Okay, now look forward to our try on review and first impressions. We have everything that we need to kind of fill in the blanks on a look, okay? Now, I will not be using this particular one, but I will use the other one that I have, only because this one is going into a giveaway from one of you, okay? So remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.